Welcome to Sunwest Mortgage Company. My name is Raul Padilla. We're here at our office and we have a special guest today that is visiting us, Carla Franco.
Hi, it's a pleasure to be here.
Right, Carla Franco is a real estate agent. You told me that you showed a property last week and you were able to option the property. What
Correct.
happened?
That's why I'm here, because I had this showing and this client had no mortgage bank. So I, with my experience, personal experience with you guys, I told her to log into your new application.
Lowrates.com?
Correct.
Okay.
And I was very impressed because in 7 to 10 minutes she was pre-approved.
We have another application. It's called seemyloanstatus.com.
Okay.
This application is in the same webpage as lowratespr.com. You see my loan status, you click it, and what you're seeing here is that we're basically providing access for you as a real estate agent on a transaction in order to see exactly what's going on step by step on your file. Do you have a loan number from your bank?
Yes, can I give it to you?
Yes. Press submit, and suddenly the page will take you to this area.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
What you see here is a timeline exactly of the date that you show the property and the borrower created a file. So the system is telling you right now, as you can see, that your customer and our customer, because we're the same, has completed only 10% of what's needed. So you know that you need to follow up with your borrower, and we also need to follow up saying, listen, you got conditions pending that you need to upload in order for us to complete the transaction. Also, you as a realtor can upload documents on the system. You can upload sales contract, everything related to the property.
Okay.
As the pace that we're heading right now, the system is telling that the estimated closing date should be around August 20th, but that will change.
So more or less it goes like from 28 to 30 days?
It should go from 20 to 25 days.
Okay.
So
okay.
The faster that your borrower and our client provides information, the faster we close the loan. I'm looking forward to close this loan in less than 25 days. So
definitely.
We're gonna get our team working hard on this.
Perfect.
All right.
Yes.
Carla, thank you for trusting us, and thank you for working with us. I'm looking forward to do more business with you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Okay. Have a great day.